on, guys? Grant Wilmore here, and today I just got a lot of value from this video. Today is the 5th training of Ryan Hildreth's Inner Circle for his personal branding module, and in this training he talks about the value ladder, and this is a very important concept that I think everyone should understand when it comes to personal branding. Okay, so let me explain. I'm trying to make this easy for you to understand. I'm probably gonna put a drawing somewhere, maybe take it in my computer, but let me show you. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how the value ladder works and how it's such an amazing concept and how you can use it for your personal brand to bring in more money. All right, first we're gonna draw the graph. It's gonna be an X and a Y axis. So here's the Y axis right here, drawn in black. And then here's the X axis. All right, so here's how this is gonna work. So in the corner we have 0, that's the origin point. Then I'm explaining all this in a second. So then you draw a $sign, a double $sign, triple $sign. And I think that's enough for the x-axis. And then I'm gonna draw or put 100 at the top here. Let me explain all this. Okay, so on the y-axis, the 0 to 100, that is your customer base and how many people are interested in what you are offering. And on the x-axis, that's the dollar amount for each service you offer and the price points. And of course, the more dollar sign means the more expensive, and 0 means free. So let me just draw 2 lines here. Let me use a purple line for this. Let me explain how this works. So I drew a purple line here to show you how exactly you should be offering your services to your audience, and I'm explaining in a second. Then I take this red, or that orange, take this red, I'm gonna start at 100 and work my way down, but just about an equal amount as or the opposite amount as my ladder. Okay, so let me explain what this means. So at free, the purple line, start at the 0, at free, you have 100% of your audience that are interested in your content because everyone can afford free. At the 0 mark, your services are free. This includes like your YouTube content, your Instagram content, Twitter content. All that content is free, and 100% of your audience is interested in what you have to say there. Then you can move up to this first $sign right here. This first $sign can be any service that's not expensive at all, maybe $7, maybe a book that you learned, that you read, that taught you how to get to where you are today. Something inexpensive that a lot of people will be interested in buying if they're interested in your brand. So you're walking them up the ladder. Now, notice how here at this line right here, your audience base is starting to decline because, you know, as more money is involved, the less people want to spend. But that's okay, because now the people that you have lost due to you spending money, you're actually making money now from this first service here, this first $sign. So let's say this first service is a book you're offering, affiliate offer to a book that you read that taught you how to get where you are today. People are buying, some people are buying, and you're making commissions off of this part right here. Then, of course, at every vertice, you can offer something else to increase your sales and how you can get money. But you have to walk them up the ladder step by step, because otherwise, if you go straight for the max product up here, you're not making a lot of sales because people don't know you. They're a bit skeptical about spending, you know, maybe thousands of dollars on your personal brand. So what you want to do now is walk up to a second step right here. It's going to basically relates to the second $sign. So this could be maybe entering a private and exclusive Facebook group that maybe you have to charge your members a certain amount per month to be in this group. And if they're interested, they'll buy into it. And you can charge them monthly or annually, it doesn't really matter. But make sure it's more than this first dollar amount here. Just keep offering more and more expensive things until you get to your max amount. That way, you're making the most money. The customers that you may have lost, your audience that you may have lost, is compensated by the price point of your services. But you always have to make sure you walk them up the ladder. So in short, at zero, you give them free content. If you can, try to get them to opt in to an email list. That way you can push offers to them and continue this ladder. Then after if they purchase that, you can move up to a better item that they may be interested in. Maybe it'd be a course, it'd be a mentorship program. That's your second step here. Then your third step, your triple dollar amount, that could be maybe social media marketing. Whatever your skill set is, what's making you the most money, that's what you can teach to them. But you have to learn these skill sets in order to teach them how to do it. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. If not, just leave me a comment and I'll try to explain it and reply to your comment if I can. So all these higher tiers of price points for services, you give a bit more value. So I'm giving my value here on YouTube or Instagram for free, and then I go and I can offer, hey, if you want to join this program where I teach you this and this and this step by step, that's a bit more value. I wouldn't do that for free. This is what the value ladder is essentially. You walk people up this ladder from free to whatever your max price may be. You have to give them value. Give them value for free, and then give them more and more value as you go up the ladder. And that's how you get money, you know, on your personal brand. You just have to get and have people start this ladder for free and walk them up the ladder. Call them to action to walk up this ladder. That's it for this video. Hope you got a lot of information and value out of this video. If you did, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for me, please. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.